Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Ziply Fiber, found at www.ziplyfiber.com. This company provides fiber optic internet service to select areas in the Northwest. Their website is a great starting point for exploring their offerings, so let's dive in and explore what they have to offer potential customers. Navigating the site is pretty straightforward. You'll find clear sections outlining the benefits of fiber internet, information on their various plans and pricing, and details about their availability. A key feature of their website is the address checker, which allows you to quickly determine if Ziply Fiber service is your location. This is crucial because fiber availability can be quite localized. Ziply Fiber emphasizes the speed and reliability of its fiber optic network, highlighting advantages over traditional cable internet. They frequently showcase the benefits of symmetrical upload and download speeds, a significant selling point for users who upload large files or engage in video conferencing. Beyond residential services, Ziply also offers business solutions with tailored plans to meet various organizational needs. This segmentation ensures they can cater to both individual consumers and larger companies. The website includes dedicated resources for businesses to explore these options further. Throughout the site, Ziply Fiber emphasizes its commitment to customer service. They provide various contact methods, including phone support, email, and a helpful online chat feature for immediate assistance. Furthermore, they offer a robust support section with FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and other resources to empower customers to resolve issues independently. It's clear that Ziply aims to create a positive customer experience. In addition to internet service, Ziply Fiber also offers phone and TV packages in select areas. This allows customers to bundle services and potentially save on their monthly bills. The website details these bundles and their associated pricing, offering transparency to potential subscribers. Finally, exploring their online presence, you can see a commitment to community involvement, showcasing their local engagement in the areas they serve. This helps to establish them not just as a service provider, but also as a contributing member of the community.